For today's video, I gathered here 6 EDC gadgets from ArizonaCustomKnives.com. I'll put links in description. They have some of the very unique EDC gadgets. As you can see, this is like a necklace. It's like a neck knife. This side here, a little tube with a ball at the end. What it is a little toothpick. Check this out. I mean, it's a little bit bigger than a toothpick. It's more like of a icebreaker. So like a bar tool in a sense. So very unique EDC item, and whenever you push it in, it's, I guess, getting thicker here. It gets pretty stiff, so it won't fall out. I really like Arizona Custom Knives because you can find some unique sold out items and vintage items like that you cannot find anywhere else because they are consignment website. So you can find very unique stuff. This one was about $180. Next, this side here, I think I paid $150. It's a little titanium card. Look at that grip. You put it into the finger. I love the color of it, you see? Wow, that is very comfortable, and it's somewhat serrated. You know what's cool about it? It's thick, but at the same time very lightweight because it's titanium. It comes with like a card, certificate of authenticity, whatever, I guess the name who made it. So it will go into your wallet if you wanted to, or keep it in one of these leather holder. So if you need to break up boxes, there you go, it's a little like a box knife. Next one is very unique. I don't even know what to think of that. Sometimes you find some stuff and you're like, whoa. It is really lightweight, feels like aluminum. There's a mark inside here, and what it is a bottle opener right here and a fork. I don't know, cooking fork, camping fork. It's really lightweight. I really enjoy it. Very unique EDC gadgets, camping gadget, whatever you want. Probably need some kind of knife sheath for it or holder to bring it with you. I really enjoy weird forks and bottle openers. That's definitely one of them. I think it's more of a camping items. This one is right here, another one. Little toothpick. Comes with the power cord, but there is a special nut to where you can easily adjust it like this and just pull on it, you see? Or if you want to adjust it lower, just pull it on those nuts. I showed you before how to make those nuts. Okay, let's put it over our neck. I kind of like this one a little bit more. For me, wow, is it graphite? It looks like it's made out of graphite or whatever. And then boom, you have right here a little ice pick as well to break up ice, make some drinks. Beautiful. And there's a magnet on the inside, so whenever you push it in, you see it will pull it. Boom. This is great. So unique, and it's pretty lightweight. Let me show it to you close up so you guys can see the texture. It's so unique, custom, handmade most likely. Definitely not production, I don't think so. You see there's a magnet and there's a magnet. I don't think this is an audio magnet or anything, but the pull is really stone. I like that one a lot. That's a cool one. Next we got right here very interesting things. 1980s knife, so it's really unique. There's a brand for it. These ones are really hard to find. I haven't seen anything like that, and it was only $150. Some of them way more expensive. Vintage knife like that. I don't even know how to open it. Oh, there's a brand of it and markings on this blade. I should have asked them how to open it. Wow. There you go. It just pulls hard and locks in. Did you see that? That is probably one of the weirdest knives I've ever seen. It's hollow now. Wow, I like it. It's really thick too. High quality. What is it made of? There is a number of 66 called Slide Lock and patent pending Mountain Forge. That's beautiful. I like it. You see, whenever you break through it, it kind of lifts it up and then locks in. So there's a groove inside there. And then you slide it too, scary. Oh wow, that is very unique. There's some kind of wood over here, maybe not, some kind of composite. I really like that knife. Definitely goes into my weird knife collection. No way, check this out, lifetime warranty. The question is, are they still in business or not? I don't know nothing about this brand, but definitely goes into my weird knife collection. Next I got right here Spyderco Phoenix. Let's open it. And this one is brand new. It has even this sticker on it, you see, like protective film. So I only paid $270, which is a really good deal. If you look at eBay for Spyderco Phoenix, they over $300, a lot over it. Sometimes you can find a cheaper one, but they would be pretty used. So this right here, ball locking mechanism, it's pretty awesome and pretty rare, like a dodo. And there's another one like a plowy, whatever the name of a Spyderco uses this folding mechanism. You see, it pushes the ball forward and then it locks in. That's very unique, lightweight, very comfortable. I guess you can kind of hold it 3 fingers, extend it, or right here, more comfortable this way. Couple inches blade, even though it looks like a long blade, it's not. Very fidgety. I really like it. And the next one, this is a Blade HQ exclusive. These ones completely sell out instantly from a Blade HQ, and sometimes you can find them on Arizona Custom Knife. If you missed out, if you really wanted one, instead of buying it from eBay, you can buy it from Arizona Custom Knives and get a better deals a lot of times. So as you can see, this is like a clear top, and if you press the button right here, wow, that's nice. Emerson Protek. And look at that, if you press it, you can see the wheel spinning. So you can see, you see right here, gears, whatever. And that way you can see how it works. Very cool. Check out this kick. Very comfortable knife. I really like Protek, and Blade HQ exclusive handle makes it even more collectible. There's only so many of them, very limited on. So that's it, that's what I got from Arizona Custom Knives. Let me know in comments below which EDC gadget was your favorite, and thank you for watching.